Want to sell on Walmart? Here's the ultimate beginner's guide. Also, at the end of the video, I'll show you where to access free Walmart training. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. We recently helped a client achieve over $17,000 in sales on Walmart, and you can check it out on our website. We've got many case studies. But I just want to show you we do know how to do it, so let's get you started on Walmart. And number one is signing up for Walmart. So all you have to do is just type in on Google Walmart seller sign up. Now you're going to scroll down, and then you're going to see sign up Walmart Seller Center. Now there's a few things they're going to ask you for, and I want you to have prepared. And you do have to have a business. This is not like Amazon, well, they'll just approve you. So you need to have a US-based business. Okay, so that's like an LLC, a corporation, right? Okay, number two is you need a business EIN. So you can, once you get your LLC, you go to the IRS's website and you say apply for EIN, you get a free EIN number. It's like a social security number for your business. You need that. Next up is you need a legit website. Now you can't just have a shitty website, it needs to be good and it needs to have unique products. I'm gonna mention a unique product in today's video. You could make a website about that and then go from there. But the website name should be, let's see, legit website with unique products. Also, the website name needs to be similar to your LLC or corporation name. If it's different, then Walmart gets confused very easily. So if your business name is Zealous Nutrition LLC, your website should be zealousnutrition.com or zealousnutritionshop.com or something similar to that. It shouldn't be something completely different, or you will confuse the hell out of Walmart. They get easily confused, so you really need to make it all idiot proof, right? And you want to be US based. Okay? You want to already be generating sales. So when they're going to ask you, hey, are you generating sales? You're just going to say, yes, you're generating sales. If possible, to get approved faster, you also want to have social media. They may ask for social media. Where's your social media links? Instagram, Facebook. They want to see you're a legit business that's already established. Also, if you already sell on Amazon, again, if you send them your Amazon link, it should all match up to your LLC, to your website. Everything should be similar, all the same names. You don't want to send them an Amazon link that shows you sell on Amazon and it's a different business or a different entity. It all should match. This is going to help you get approved for Walmart. So you're going to put all the information in, make sure it's all there, you're going to agree, and then you should get approved. If you don't get approved, they will reach out to you and then they'll give you one more chance to get approval, right? But if you pretty much didn't follow my tips and your website sucks, or you're just selling like basic supplements like multivitamins, you haven't been selling on Amazon before or eBay or Etsy, you don't have any social media, they're not going to approve you. Walmart right now is very picky. But once you do get approved, then we can move to step number two. Step number two is to find products to sell. Now you could go to your retail store, buy stuff, and then resell it on Walmart, or you could actually have your own private labeled items. There's a couple different ways. Just don't drop ship. Don't drop ship, okay? So you have to actually ship the items yourself, either to Walmart or you ship it directly to the customer. Now, there's only 120,000 sellers on Walmart, 120,000, right? On Amazon, there's 2 million sellers. So that's a huge difference, meaning there's not much competition on Walmart, meaning that most likely on Amazon, there's products, tons of products on Amazon that aren't on Walmart, okay? So I want you to find products, and I already have one for you right here. It's this Tandem shower head, or Tandem shower head. It's a shower head. This one's making $200,000 a month, 20 grand. This one doesn't even have any reviews and they're making 3 grand. Okay, so everybody wants to shower together, and pretty much it turns your shower into a dual shower so you can shower as a couple. Now, on Walmart, there's only one seller and they don't look nearly as good. If you type in tandem shower, there's only one seller and they're overpriced. They've got bad reviews. It takes 14 days. It takes more than 14 days to get delivered. So it must be shipping from China or something. So nobody's going to be buying this, or they don't want to buy this. They want to buy ones that have 2-day shipping, 3-day shipping, even 4-day shipping. This one takes 14 days. So what I'm saying, to find a product, you can look on Amazon, and a lot of the products that are on Amazon that are making tons of money aren't even on Walmart, or there's one competitor on Walmart and they're taking 14 days to ship. So you can totally compete and outcompete them and win on Walmart. And I just gave you a product. This is a unique product, so if you did apply to Walmart and you were selling this product, you would most likely get approved. For Walmart, I've noticed that the more products you sell, the better. So I do recommend starting with 3 to 5 products on Walmart. Don't just start with one and think that you're going to succeed. Start with 3 to 5 different ones in completely different categories. So one could be a dog toy. Another one could be the dual shower head that I just showed you. Another one could be a portable fire, a campfire, right? So have some different items in different areas. Next thing is to list the products on Walmart. So now it's time to list the products, right? You're just going to go to your manage. You're going to log into Walmart, seller.walmart.com. You're going to go to catalog, and there's going to be a button right here to add items. So you're just going to add your items. They're going to ask you pretty much for basic information. The only thing you really need is going to be a UPC code. Now we all know what a UPC code is. When you go to the store and they're checking you out, there's like a little code, right? You can kind of see it on everything and they scan it. Yours needs the same thing. You need to have a UPC code on your item to create it. Now you can get a UPC code from gs1.org, gs1us.org, and it costs $30, right? That's just an official UPC code. Or you could buy UPC codes for cheap. So if you want to buy UPC codes for cheap, you can go to Snap UPC, and then you can buy cheaper used UPC codes, or you can go to eBay and buy them in bulk, right? But this is the legit website. The Snap UPC and the eBay is not recommended because you're kind of rebuying other people's UPC codes or expire old UPC codes. So if you want to do it legit, you want to buy your own UPC code from gs1.org. But I'm always happy to give you different options, and that's why I mentioned the other ones. Now, step number 4 is going to be converting your items to WFS. WFS pretty much enables you to have 2-day shipping and get a pro seller badge, like this seller right here, who has a pro seller badge, right? So pro seller is pretty much Walmart sellers are top performers with a proven track record. It gives you a special badge, you get discounts, you show up on page number 1, and you want to get that pro seller badge. So in order to get that pro seller badge, you need to convert your items to Walmart fulfilled. It's the same as Amazon Prime, Amazon FBA. It's called Walmart WFS, Walmart Fulfillment Service, right? So you want to convert your items to Walmart fulfilled. So after you create your items, you're going to click this button, and then there's going to be a button right here that says convert to Walmart fulfillment. Convert to WFS, convert it to WFS, and then you can go to this WFS tab right here, and then you get all of your items, you put them in a box, you ship it to Walmart, and bada bing, bada boom, it's 2-day shipping. So pretty much every customer gets 2-day shipping, and then you can over time get this pro seller badge. You pretty much show up on page number 1. It increases sales drastically. And if you're not doing this, it's going to be a lot harder. So I want you to succeed. So it's time to convert your items to WFS and ship them in. Step number 5 is actually shipping the items into Walmart WFS. So you just pretty much need to make sure that all of your items have that barcode, right? And then you ship them in to WFS. If you don't know how to do it, how to convert it, all that fun stuff, again, at the end of the video, I'm showing you free training that's going to teach you all of that. But once you ship the items in, it's time to optimize the listings. So to optimize your listings, if you're like, oh, okay, I did it, you know, but am I doing the title right? What about the key features? Am I doing all that right? Well, Walmart has something called listing quality score. So you're going to go to the growth tab, listing quality score, and what you're going to want to do is get all of your listings at least 80% listing quality score, right? So if you look at this listing right here, you can see the listing quality score is excellent. It's at 88%. Walmart literally tells you how to show up on page number 1 and how to generate more sales, and that's getting a good listing quality score. So what you can see right here is we have 14 poor listings. These only made $500 in the last 30 days. 22 good listings made $2,000 in the last 30 days. 13 with a good listing quality score made pretty much 10 grand in the last 30 days. Can't beat that. It literally shows you that if you optimize your listings and you follow Walmart's recommendation, you're gonna generate, this is like, what is it, 5x as much sales? It's crazy, right? And it literally tells you how to optimize your listings. So you're gonna see this, you're gonna see your listing quality score, which is probably gonna suck at first. And then all you have to do is click the action, and Walmart tells you exactly what to do to get your listing quality score to at least 80%, right? You can see the title isn't good. We're missing, it's literally just missing things. You know, the product weight, all this. If you put this in, Walmart pretty much awards you and pushes you again to the top of the search. And a lot of sellers aren't doing this. I don't know why, but if you do this, you're pretty much gonna succeed, right? Last but not least, if you're still not generating sales, you can run Walmart ads. I recommend just to test out Walmart ads anyway. So pretty much you're gonna go to the advertising panel and then click start advertising. And then you can test out advertising on Walmart. You should definitely test it out, even if you're already generating sales. Most of the time, you don't even need to use this, or you just start running ads and then Walmart picks up momentum and then you can just shut them off. But it's great to test out. So that's going to be that. But after this, most people do forget to do the listing quality score. Most people do forget to advertise, and most people don't utilize WFS. If you follow my directions in today's video, even if your product isn't the best, you're still going to generate sales. Because, again, there's like almost no competitors on Walmart compared to Amazon. So it is very easy to get seen and generate sales. But that's it for today's video. At the end of the video, I told you I'd show you where to get free Walmart training. So you're literally just gonna type into Google, free Walmart seller training, and they have free training for you. Click on the Seller Academy link, and then Walmart has their own free training for you on how to utilize WFS, how to convert your listings, how to optimize your listings, how to utilize Walmart ads successfully. And I do recommend you go through this full training. It may not seem like the best, but it is very good and it's tailored directly for Walmart sellers. But that's it for today's video. Got any Walmart marketplace tips or questions? Share them below and let's keep the conversation going. If you learned something new, drop a like, and if you're a Walmart seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Walmart journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Walmart, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, our #1 service is our full A to Z Walmart account management service. This is where we'll fully manage your inventory, calling Walmart, customer service, advertising, increasing sales, and much, much more. The benefit of this service is so you can spend time working on your business instead of in your business every day, like calling Walmart for hours on end just to fix an issue. Save time, money, and increase your sales with ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.